Hey everyone, today we are unboxing and checking out the POCO F3 in Arctic White with 256 gigs of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Starting with the design, the Arctic White finish looks absolutely premium. On the front, we have a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10+, delivering stunning colors and smooth transition, perfect for gaming or watching movies. Under the hood, the F3 packs the Snapdragon 870 chipset. This powerful processor keeps the phone running smoothly, handling intensive apps and multitasking without a hitch. Pair it with 8 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage UFS 3.1. It's incredibly fast and responsive, making it a great choice for powerful users. And for those who love great sounds, the Poco F3 comes with a dual speaker and Dolby Atmos support for immersive audio.